Alright guys, today we're gonna be dropping, well, we're basically just gonna be doing a flip kit on the back of my boy Tulo Tom's single cab. It's a 2008 Silverado. Pretty much we're gonna be as you guys can see in there, gonna be putting the leaf springs on the bottom, and then we have the flip kit over there, putting new shocks, and then he we lifted up the body onto some jack stands.
Huh?
Right now we're gonna take off both shocks on both sides. Alright guys, we got the boom stops off on both sides. Now we're just gonna drop the diff, and then we're gonna flip both leaf springs over and install the flip kit. Get it all installed, the flip kit. Now we're just gonna install his shocks, and he should be ready to go. We installed the flip kit on my boy's 2008 Silverado 4x4. We'll probably do the front in the next video, which is going to be spindles and springs, so stay tuned for that. Today we're going to be doing the front end drop on the 2010 Silverado. We're going to probably do spindles and springs. They're both about 2 inches, so that should give us a total of 4. We got the strut out, so now we're gonna put on the spring compressor, and then we're gonna guys, we installed the 2-inch drop spring on the struts, so now we're just gonna go back and get the spindle on. Alright guys, we got the 2-inch drop spring installed and the 2-inch spindle installed as well. Everything back connected, ready to put the wheels back on and see how it looks. Alright guys, there you have it. 4/6 drop installed. Springs and spindles in the front and flip kit in the back. Rides pretty smooth with no C-notch.